Model 2. When you see a product of an algebraic function and a trigonometric function, you don't need to use long methods like integration by parts. We can solve it quickly using a shortcut. This is also called the DI method. DI method. Here, D stands for differentiate and I stands for integrate. In this method, we differentiate the algebraic part, like x to the power n, again and again, until it becomes 0. And integrate the trigonometric part, like sine ax or cos ax, repeatedly. Then, we match each derivative with an integral. Multiply each pair and apply alternating signs, plus, minus, plus, and so on. Finally, add all the terms and write plus c at the end. That's why it's called the DI method, differentiate and integrate. Let's look at an example. Find the integral of x, sin x, dx. Here, x is an algebraic function, and sin x is a trigonometric function. We'll use the DI method to solve it easily. First, differentiate the algebraic part, x, until it becomes 0. That is, the derivative of x is 1. And the derivative of 1 is 0, so we stop here. Next, integrate the trigonometric part, sin x, repeatedly. That is, the integral of sin x dx is minus cos x. Then, the integral of minus cos x dx is minus sin x. Finally, the integral of minus sin x dx is cos x. We can stop here. Now, we match each derivative with an integral and multiply. Apply alternate signs, plus, minus, plus, and so on. So, we get. Finally, add plus c at the end. Minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. And that's your final answer. Another one. Integral x to the power of 2 cos x dx. Here, x square is an algebraic function and cos x is a trigonometric function. We'll use the DI method. D means differentiate, I means integrate. First, differentiate x square repeatedly until it becomes 0. That is, x square becomes 2x. 2x becomes 2. And 2 becomes 0. So we stop here. Now, integrate cos x again and again. The integral of cos x dx is sin x. Again, the integral of sin x dx is minus cos x. Then, the integral of minus cos x dx is minus sin x. Finally, the integral of minus sin x dx is cos x. Now, pair and multiply. Apply alternate signs, plus, minus, plus, minus. So, the answer is. That's it. Another example. Integral x to the power of 3 cos 2x dx. Here, x cube is an algebraic function and cos 2x is a trigonometric function. We'll use the DI method. First, differentiate x cube repeatedly until it becomes 0. That is, x cube becomes 3x square. 3x square becomes 6x. 6x becomes 26. And 6 becomes 20. So we stop here. Now, integrate cos 2x again and again. We know the formula. Integral cos ax dx is 1 by a sin ax. Using this, let's integrate cos 2x repeatedly. Now, pair and multiply. Apply alternate signs plus, minus, plus, minus. Add plus C. So, the answer is Thanks for learning with Maths Digest.